Have you ever wondered what is actually happening inside AI when it answers you? Not the technical version full of words you would need a degree to follow, the real, simple version that finally makes sense. Let us walk through it together. No jargon, just everyday comparisons. We will use the kind of AI you are most likely to meet, the kind that talks to you like ChatGPT. Here is the central idea, and it is genuinely this simple. This kind of AI is, at its heart, an extremely sophisticated prediction machine. Its entire job is to predict what word should come next. Let me show you what I mean with something you already do yourself. If I say, the sky is, your mind almost automatically fills in blue. If I say, a cup of, you think coffee or tea. You are predicting the next word based on everything you have ever heard. You do it without effort because you have been exposed to language your whole life. AI does the same thing, but on an almost unimaginable scale. It was shown an enormous amount of human writing, books, articles, conversations, websites, far more than any person could read in 1,000 lifetimes. And from all of that, it learned the patterns of how words tend to follow one another. So when you ask it a question, here is what is actually happening. It looks at your words and then it predicts, one word at a time, what a sensible response would look like based on all the patterns it learned. It adds a word, then predicts the next, then the next, building the answer piece by piece. A bit like a supremely well-read person finishing your sentences, except it finishes entire thoughtful responses. That is genuinely the core of it. It is predicting likely, sensible language based on patterns. Not thinking, not knowing, predicting. Now, this explains something important that often confuses people. Why AI sometimes gets things wrong while sounding completely confident. Because it is predicting what a good answer looks like rather than checking what is actually true. It can sometimes produce something that sounds perfectly sensible and is completely false. It is not lying. Lying requires knowing the truth and choosing to hide it. It is simply predicting a plausible sounding answer, and sometimes the most plausible sounding answer is wrong. Once you understand this, AI stops being mysterious. It is not a magical all-knowing brain. It is a remarkably capable pattern and prediction machine. That understanding is exactly what lets you use it wisely, leaning on it for what it is good at and double-checking it for anything that truly matters. We will keep building on this together, one simple piece at a time. Subscribe and stay with me. I will see you in the next one.